We're just about to completely transform this new Tundra TRD Pro, and the question is it going to look better than it does right now? These things look pretty nice when they come from the factory, but we're going to be applying our new DYNOprism-fire, which is a translucent, color-shifting paint protection film. Now, there's a lot of work that goes into a full-body PPF, so you're wondering what that looks like. Stay tuned. We're going to show you as the guys at Tailored Auto Styling jump right into it. Whenever you have a transparent metallic flake film, the base paint really makes a huge difference in what that final aesthetic looks like. Now, on something like this black truck, a lot more flake, a lot more of that color shift comes out, and it's looking awesome. So we wanted to show you this door with it completed next to the door not completed, just so you can see how dramatic it is. But this is the film itself. It is just kind of smoked, has a little bit of flake in there, and it's probably gonna look a lot different if it's on a light car like white. But take a closer look at that, because what it does to the truck is a lot different than you might think. DYNOprism-fire shares the same hydrophobic, self-cleaning top coat as the rest of our Dyno series, offering strong water beading to make it easier to clean, and light surface scratches will heal out with heat from hot water or the sun. This film is warranted for 10 years or even 12 if you top it with our final coat ceramic coating. Now that this rig's getting put back together, let's see how it turned out.